Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's session we are going to discuss Scrum narrative and PSM question and answer for your upcoming examination of Scrum narrative. And guys, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे पार्ट 1 एग्जीक्यूटिव नरेशन ऑफ स्क्रम, चैप्टर 2 बिकल ऑफ स्क्रम एंड एब्सोल्यूट एंड लेस कॉम्प्लेक्स टीम question and answer. Chapter 1 is already uploaded on my channel. Kindly visit it and check it. Now question number 1 in this chapter is what are the rules in the Scrum team? Select all that apply. Okay. Now rules are, just read it. Project manager, programmer, tester, business analyst, architect, operations analyst, none of the above. Okay. Here right answer is option G. None of the above, because there are only 3 roles in Scrum team and they are: first one product owner, second one Scrum Master, and the third one is development team. Okay, means okay. So project manager, programmer, tester, business analyst, architect, operation analyst, such type of roles are not exist in Scrum team. Main role are product owner, Scrum Master and the development team. Okay, next question. In a traditional approach, fill in means यहाँ पर आपको blank space fill करना है. Organizes and manages the team member work and fill in is their management style. Okay, option A business manager and people centricity respectively. Option B project manager, command and control respectively. Option C the team and self-organization respectively. And here right answer is option B. In a traditional approach, project manager organizes and manages the team member work and command and control is their management style. Okay, next question. If there is no project manager, how do we engage existing project managers? Okay. In a traditional model, the project manager controls the project budget, the project team members and the project task. Okay. And in Scrum, these activities are distributed between the 3 Scrum roles. Though the project manager role is eliminated, there are still management positions within Scrum. The development team collectively manages the project task and their own work. Okay. The product owner manages the business investment. The Scrum Master manages how Scrum is implemented. As for the existing project manager, they can choose one of these management positions. However, they need to consciously choose the position with the understanding of the responsibilities involved. Okay, none of these management positions, such as product owner, Scrum Master, etc., involve managing people or unliterally controlling the project plan or task. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next question. In self-organized teams, the work is divided between individual team members. Each team members take accountability for the progress of only their work. Is true or false? Is false. Because in self-organized teams, the work is decomposed into work units. Okay. Individual team members task some work units. However, the entire team is accountable for the overall progress of reaching a common goal. Okay, that's why correct option is option B, false. Next question. In their journey of deliver products of their highest business value, what factors will enable the Scrum team to balance creativity, flexibility and productivity? Option A is strong team management and guidance by a team member identified as their leader. Option B, having all the skills required to perform all their work without external help. Option C, performance management system that reward the superachievers of the teams. Option D, structuring the team such that it can self-organize its work against a common goal. Okay. So now listen to me very carefully. Correct answer here is option B and option D, because if sufficient capabilities and empowerment are not present, the team cannot acquire flexibility. Okay, nor it can command their creativity and productivity. Sufficient capabilities are ensured by having all the skills required for the job. Empowerment is ensured by the structure of self-organization. Okay, so here correct answer is option B and option D for this question. In their journey to deliver products of their highest business value, what factors will enable the Scrum team to balance creativity, flexibility, and productivity? So they are having all the skills required to perform all their work without external help. And second one, structuring the team such that it can self-organize its work against a common goal. Okay, next question. As a self-organized team, what can it manage? Select all that apply. Okay, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन ही आपको एग्जाम में आता है. Select all that apply. Option A, managing their work to reach a common goal. Option B, managing their human related aspects like leave, firing one of the team members, office dress code, etc. Option C, managing some other teams. And option D, managing to support ad hoc high priority requirements from important executives. Okay, so here correct answer is option A. As a self-organized team, what can it manage means managing their work to reach a common goal. Okay, because self-organized teams are empowered to organize and manage their work. However, the team can't self-manage the human resource related aspects. They also can't work from a different set of requirements outside the product backlog. Okay, that's why the correct answer here is option B, maintaining their work to reach a common goal. Okay, next question. Select all that apply in Scrum. The person playing the business role, the product owner. Option A, hands over the product backlog to the development team and leaves the team alone. They only meet up again during final product delivery. Option B, fridges the product backlog and tries not to change it. Option C, works only with designated people in the development team. Option D, continuously collaborates with the development team, sometimes almost every day. Listen to me very carefully now. Correct answer here is option D. Continuously collaborates with the development team, sometimes almost every day, because the product owner continuously evolves the ordered list of everything that may be needed in the product. This list is called the product backlog. Okay, since this list evolves based on frequent new insights, it requires the product owner to continuously work with the team to communicate these changing needs and also to clarify questions about ongoing work. Okay, so correct answer here is option D. The person playing the business role, the product owner, continuously collaborates with the development team, sometimes almost every day. Okay, next question is, how is progress measured in Scrum? What are the key performance indicators? Key performance indicators means KPI. Okay, so answer is, Scrum is founded on empiricism, where the decisions about the next sprint are taken based on the insight obtained from the previous sprint. Okay, every sprint must create at least one piece of functionality that is usable by the intended users. Only then can it lead to inspection, uses, and useful feedback. So the increment is the only measure of progress in Scrum. There is no other metrics of progress such as creation of any interim documents, artifacts, completion of phases, etc. No. In addition, a Scrum team may internally use some measures such as sprint work planned basis completed means one down, rate of completion, velocity, etc. However, these are only internal metrics used by the team to manage their work. Okay, they are not indicators of progress for stakeholders. So this is all about progress measured in Scrum and key performance indicators. Okay, next question. In Scrum, team velocity is a good metric to track the progress of product development. Is yes or no? is no, because in Scrum, the real mark of progress is the delivery of a usable product. Okay, increment in every sprint. Okay, so correct answer here is no. Next question. In Scrum, the servant leader of the self-organized team is the new name for the old project manager role. Is true or false? Is false, because the servant leader of the self-organized team manages the implementation of principles like self-organization, theory of empiricism, etc. by teaching and coaching the team. The servant leader is neither a project manager nor a people manager. Okay? So correct option here is option B, false. Next question. The Scrum Master is the manager of the Scrum team. Is true or false? Is also false, because in Scrum there is no exclusive team manager role like a project manager. There are project management activities in Scrum, but they are distributed among the 3 Scrum roles. Okay, the Scrum Master manages Scrum development and coaches the team on Scrum. That's why the correct answer here is option B, false. Next question. A Scrum team must produce the following artifacts. Select all that apply. First one, project plan. Second, product backlog. Second, design document. Next, sprint backlog. Next, test case specifications. Next one, project status report. And next one, increment. Here, correct artifacts are product backlog and sprint backlog and increment. Okay, so correct answer here B, D and G, because a Scrum team produces and maintains artifacts that help team to plan their work, track their progress and share information visibly to required stakeholders. In that respect, Scrum mandates only 3 artifacts. Okay, and they are product backlog, second one sprint backlog and third one increment, because notice that increment is not a document but a working product increment. That's why correct answer here is B, D and G, and other artifacts or documents are optional and can be chosen by the team if they wanna add value to their work or final product. Okay guys, now let's wind up the session. See you in the next session, means part 3 for this examination. Wish you very all the best for exam. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you.